Hi, I'm Ashley Smith, Inoculant Brand Manager with BASF Canada. I'm here today to talk about the key practices that impact inoculant effectiveness in the nodulation of legume crops. We often get asked how to properly store and handle our inoculant products, as well as what impacts the survivability of rhizobia before it is seeded. First, it is important to understand that the rhizobia in inoculants are living, breathing organisms, very much like the plants in which we use them on. As such, they need to be handled and treated differently than typical chemical products. To ensure that your inoculant organisms stay alive from storage through to seeding, best practices to consider using include maintaining a consistent temperature from 0 to 20 degrees Celsius, limit the exposure to extreme conditions of direct sunlight and prevailing wind that can cause both moisture buildup or even the drying out of product. Avoid stacking anything on top of your inoculant packages. This can cause compression and clumping of inoculant organisms. Essential to the survival of all living organisms is airflow. Limit the conditions that could potentially restrict airflow of the inoculant packaging that is specially designed to allow rhizobia to breathe. Finally, inoculant survivability can be impacted by contamination of other crop protection products like fertilizers and chemicals. Limit storage near these products. Remember, as inoculants are produced fresh and new to the demand of each season, keep this in mind in determining what your needs are for your operation in the season ahead. Following these practices will ensure you get the most out of your granular inoculants, keeping it alive through to seeding, and that you end up with the successful inoculation of your pulse crop.